When Beer Biceps, Rebel Kid, Samirena get an FIR, or Kunal Kamra cracks a joke, it becomes the biggest national issue in our country. But now, when there's open proof questioning the credibility of our elections, the value of our vote, the foundation of our democracy, it's not becoming a national issue. But if you care about our democracy, spare just 1 minute to understand this. The leader of opposition of our country has shown Election Commission data to prove that there were duplicate fake voters in our 2024 Lok Sabha elections. He has said that 1 lakh such fake voters were found in just one assembly seat in Karnataka, and the Election Commission colluded with the sitting BJP government to make the BJP win. And don't believe him, anybody who has a smartphone can cross-check these duplicate voters. And to do our duty as citizens, actually do that. Go to the Election Commission website, put in these voter IDs, and you'll see that there are multiple people who were able to vote 3-4 times with the same name, same details, same address. Something as bizarre as many voters being registered with house number 0, 80 voters being registered in a one-room flat, gibberish collection of random letters in people's names, and unidentifiable microscopic images for some voters. All of this has been shown in the Election Commission's own data, and every Indian needs to know about this. At Peak TV, we have independently verified Rahul Gandhi's claims to find out that these are not all allegations. There are actually duplicate voters in the Election Commission's voter list. And you can watch these videos on our handles. But despite all of this, the Election Commission has given no point-by-point justification for this till now, and this will again be buried as most other such stories if we don't speak up. So read about it, talk about it, verify on your own, share these videos, demand answers, because this can't be brushed off as just politics. It's about the present and future of our democracy.